All right, so we're back. So I had a little bit of echoing issues. So I'm going to quickly show you how to make your airport signs as a travel agent when you're doing your group trip so that your clients can recognize whether it's you or your supplier, they're picking them up at the airport. Okay, so today that's what I did. I made 2 of them. Because we're getting ready to leave and I need more airport signs, okay? And so you can make them whatever size that you want. Your logo may be long. I actually have a long logo. You guys probably seen that one of us in Dubai last year and we're holding it up. I have a long logo and then like this is like the traditional airport logo here. And so the first thing that you want to do is, of course, come on over here into Canva. And then, so if your logo is here already, you're going to put it on a document. And so what you're going to do once you know what size you want it, you want to go right here and resize. And so I know for sure that my document is 17 by 22. So you want to put in 17 by 22 or whatever it is, and then you want to resize. If you want to keep the original document that's here and just resize it to the bigger airport sign, then you just hit copy and resize. So I'm just going to hit the resize and then it's going to do what it just did there. All right, so over here, if your logo is already here and you want that kind of like that bold look, you want to come over here and I have my logo behind that already. So this is simply one of my regular logos. You're going to go right here to edit photo and then you want to say see all. And then so, well, you know what I'm going to do this. Start from the beginning just in case. All right, so let's start with my regular logo. Then what you're going to do is duplicate your logo. All right. And then so the one that's in the back, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is just what I do. So if you want to follow what I do, this is what I do. Okay. And so with that, so we got this logo here. And so now we're going to edit this. Okay. So we're going to go right there to see all. And then I'm looking for one that's the color that says mono right here. And then I'm just going for the darkest one that they got. And it's probably this one here. So there we go. We got that in the background. And so we got, let's center this, and we know it's center because when we go all the way to, there we go. You see that dotted line? We're looking for a solid line. So let's move it just, there we go, slightly. And then I'm going to move it down just slightly. Come on, there we go. There we go. All right, so it's perfectly centered. So now let's do the same thing to this one, the color one. All right. There we go. So we kind of got that bold look that's going on, okay? And then so what you're going to do is you're going to hit share, and then you're going to hit download. You want to hit transparent background so that whatever you download it to, it doesn't have a white background. You're just getting your regular, the logo and whatever else is down there, like my web address is there too. So then you're going to hit download, and then you're going to download page 2. So download, and then, well, page 2. I don't need this. Can't cancel it, but it's okay. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Office Depot. So I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning because I know that there was echoing and I just want to make sure everybody got everything. All right. So when you get here to Office Depot, you want to go to services. Okay. You want to go to print and copy, and then you want to go to blueprinting. And so, like I said before, I know blueprinting, it may sound a little bit strange, but just listen, just follow along. Okay. And so 24 pounds, that's your traditional blueprint paper type. All right, and so we press customize, and so let's customize this. All right, so you want to name the project whatever you want to name it. So airport sign. All right, and then so now is the time to think about how many you want to put, because if you try to get to the cart and say, oh, I want to add 2 more, then you got to redo this all over again. So I usually order 2 to 3 different airport signs. So let's go ahead and do 2. And then so right here, this is where you're going to pick your size at. So last year I ordered one that was real long. This thing was like maybe like 48 inches. It was big, 48 inches by 24. It was really, really big. So all you got, look, it's all here. You know, this one is 34 by 44, 18 by 24. Let's see. You got all of the different sizes here, okay? So what you're gonna do is choose the sign. So a good airport sign size is about 17 to 20 by 22. So get a ruler, get measuring tape. 17 by 22 is a pretty good size, okay? And so what we're gonna do, let's upload that. So I'm uploading my file again. All right, and then so I'm going to press upload. And then right here, we know it's 17 by 22. So, you know, that's how you're going to make sure your Canva is resized. When you go to resize, you can, if you got Canva Pro, you can resize it to whatever. So you got right here, and you can, let's say that it's by 24 by 36. You go 24 by 36, and you want to put the correct size too, because let's just press resize. You want to put the correct size because okay, so it's resized by 24 by 36. You want to put the correct size too, because as you go in and you try to upload, you don't want to have to like kind of sort of stretch it out and make it try to fit. Like, no, save yourself a lot of time. And sometimes it will be blurry as well. So this is now the 24 by 36. And I can technically make this maybe a little bit wider if I wanted to. And let's say you wanted to make that wider. All you got to do is highlight both of those. And now it's a group. So let's stretch this just a little bit. All right, there we go. So now we're getting rid of, whatever the sides that we can. And then of course we're going to download it. So let's hop back over here. All right. So now that we know the size is there, I know it looks funny, but look, watch this. Fit to paper, voila. Everything just pops in place, okay? And then so you can choose portrait or landscape. It's up to you and up to the size of your logo. Okay. I wanted landscape, but I'm in a rush today to try to do a lot of stuff. And even if I did do the landscape, but my logo size, look at all of this on the side that I have to worry about. So I'm just like, let's just go ahead and go for portrait. And so it's going to be pretty, it's going to be long, but it's going to be wide as well. So now that we have that there, let's go ahead and go to finishing options. And, choose your color, put full color or black and white, but most people got, color logos. All right, and so finishing options and what you're going to do. Stapling, you don't need no stapling, but right here, lamination. You want to select lamination. This is going to make it water resistant. This is going to make it really, really sturdy, okay? And so this is the lamination option. So it already added that. And so it's about $4 something per piece, but since I got two, this price is double right here. And then so you can even go over some advanced options. Remove pages. Okay, so yeah, we don't need any of that. And then so what we're going to do now, we're just going to go ahead and hit add to cart. And it's really, really easy to do, you guys, really easy. All right, so we got blueprint, pages 1, quantity 2, 24 pounds, blueprint paper. And then we're going to go proceed to checkout. Right. And so I usually do store pickup and curbside, especially because I need it like ASAP. And it's usually done same day, or if not, the next business day. Okay. And so what I'm looking for is this right here. Y'all, this is not going to be the price. Office Depot is known for having, a lot of coupons. So all you got to do is to get some coupons, you got to open, go to the logo, right click, open link and new tab. And so when you get there, we're going to go right here to deals. And then I believe it's called coupons right there, coupon offers. All right, so let's see, 25% off. Okay, we use that one. Let's see if it's a better deal here. All custom cards. Let's see, 40% of all brand shipping taping when you buy. Okay, 30% off all. Let's see, 20. Okay, I think the 25% off may be one of our best bets. All right, so let's go right here. 25% off. There you go. So we're gonna go apply now. And it's gonna automatically apply it to my account. I mean, not my account, my card. So right here, this is the total. And then when I hit refresh, right now it's $20.74. All right, and it took that off. Wait a minute. Oh, we got to switch it back to store pickup. All right. So now it's $15.55. So $15.55, that's about $7 and some change per airport sign. Okay. So if you guys have any questions or comments, hey, you guys got the video, go ahead and comment. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.